Good morning, Warren, and everyone over there at Hawley and Sons Construction. Hi, my name is Charles, and I am with Warley Digital. This is me right there in the picture. We help local businesses and their visibility, meaning helping clients to find local businesses through online methods. We do website design, SEO, and social media marketing. The reason I'm shooting you this video is because, like I said, mentioned in the email, I noticed you didn't have a website. At least I could not find it. And your competitors out here, like Bradley Builders, they are getting a lot of traffic, and I'm going to show you how they're getting traffic through their website. Now, a lot of the time, business owners ask me, why do I make these videos? Or at least they're curious. I'm doing this to provide value from the get-go. I've noticed with a lot of business owners, it is hard to find good advice. There's so much information out there, and a lot of the times, business owners are way too busy to actually sit down and learn these things. So I'm going to talk about 3 things which I hope you can put into building your website. Those 3 things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. I'm going to use your competitors here as an example because I don't have a website. In fact, I'm going to use one of the websites I built here in Philadelphia, homeremodelingphiladelphiapa.com. So Google optimizes to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your front page. So what does that mean? That means text that says exactly who you are, what you do, what services you provide, what locations you service, etc. Throughout this text you should have keywords. Now, keywords are those search phrases that people type into Google when looking for your business. For example, I guess if I was looking for you guys, I'd type in something like general contractor in Sacramento. You can tell I deal with a lot of home remodelers and general contractors. That's a typical search phrase, a keyword search, and if you do good keyword research, you'll be able to recognize and see, oh, this is how many people are searching for it per month. And if you can help your website rank for those keywords, that will help you get more traffic. And let me show you what I'm talking about. I use a tool called Ahrefs. It's a popular tool out there. And with this tool, you can analyze websites, you can analyze keywords, etc. And I could tell that the keyword that I just typed in, general contractor Sacramento, about 100 people look for that every month. And by domain, meaning how much traffic goes to which website. You can see your competitors here get about 4 people going to their website because of this one keyword. Now, a good SEO person or website person will actually research and try and find out which other keywords are they ranking for and how much traffic are they getting. So this tool is very powerful, and it can show me what keywords your competitors are ranking for and how much traffic is associated with those keywords. For example, here you can see that they're getting 4 people, like we saw, because they're in the 9th position on Google search results. When people search for, let's take another one here, general contractor Sacramento, California, CA, 100 people look for that per month, and they get 3 people because they're also in the 9th position for that keyword. Contractor Sacramento, 60 people a month, they get 2 people because they're in the 10th position. So in this way, you can actually calculate, at least on average, how many people are searching for a certain number of keywords, and then you can more or less predict how much traffic you will get from that. The better keywords you rank for, higher. For example, let's see, high contractors Sacramento, 300 people are looking for that every month. They're in the 17th position, so they barely get any traffic. However, if we go into that keyword, you can find your other competitors in your area. For example, Portal CED or preservationsacramento.org. These are people who are grabbing traffic because of this keyword. So it's important to have all through your site these keywords that Google can recognize and put you in front of those searches so that you get more traffic. Another thing, the second thing I wanted to talk about, citations. And that has to do with this area here of the search results. Let's go back to the search. Someone searches general contractor Sacramento. First thing you'll see are the Google ads. These are always hit or miss because a lot of people have ad blockers these days. Though if you want fast leads, Google ads are the way to go if you're willing to pay for them. The section right below the ads is called a map pack. And the way to rank here, you'll always see 3 businesses and possibly an ad and the map. If you click on more businesses, you'll see which other businesses are ranking in the map pack. And there's usually advertisements here as well. Now, how do you rank higher and higher here? Well, it comes down to citations. Citations are anywhere on the internet that your name, address, and phone number are cited in different directories online. And by directories, I mean like Yelp, Home Advisor, LinkedIn, Better Business Bureau, Yext, Dexnos, superpages.com, yellowpages.com, etc. The more higher quality niche relevant directories you're in, the higher you will rank here. There are also other tools out there that you can find out where your competition is ranking, and then not only make sure you're in those directories, but double or triple the number of citations that they have so that you stay on top of here. And trust me, once you're here, not only will you get more traffic, but depending on your strategy, your competition will find it very hard to rank compared to you. The third thing I want to talk about are backlinks. Now, backlinks have to do with this section down here, the organic search results below the map pack. Now, the way to rank here has to do mostly with backlinks. Backlinks are whenever, if you think of the internet as a collection of web pages, when one web page sends traffic to you, directly to you, that's called a backlink. Not all backlinks are the same, because if it's a Pizza Hut backlinking to you, Google sees it as not as relevant as another construction company or a forum for home remodelers, etc. Now, using the same tool again here, keyword, we can look at the site. So let's look at your competition again. Let's go back to Bradley Builders and look at their backlinks. Now, it's incumbent on whoever is doing your SEO or website design to actually research what backlinks your competition has and make sure you have the same or even higher quality backlinks and even higher quality backlinks. The better high quality backlinks you have and the more of them, the higher you'll rank for different searches. So it's a combination of those 3 things: citations, backlinks, and content that will help Google recognize you and put you way in front of your competition, therefore getting you more traffic. It will be a great time. This is a great time to actually start this whole campaign and building a website, because it's the beginning of the year. So that's it. Those are the 3 things I wanted to talk about. You can go and hand this to to your website person or your SEO person, or if you'd like to work with me, and I'm more than willing. My name is Charles, and my contact information, here's my phone number on the top left, and also my email address, info@warleydigital.com. I'm available by text, phone, etc. If you are interested in working with me, I just wanted to show you this other tool that I have. It's in collaboration with another company, some friends of mine. We have virtual tours, which are great ways for remodelers to show before and after videos, basically, so that your potential clients can see the quality of your work even before meeting with you. Thank you very much again, Warren and Ashley. It's a pleasure. Thanks for watching all the way till here. Sorry it was a little bit longer than I wanted, but I hope I've given you some value. Thank you very much, and all the best.